Good afternoon to all present over here. I am Yashmin Mahan. Today our group present on the topic note making. Firstly, the question rises in our mind, what is a note making?
Note making is a short piece of writing which contains the main point of passage.
Yes, it is a short definition of note making. But in real, the note making is the act of retaining the documentation from the various sources. By taking notes, an individual can store the data and limiting their weights from revising everything.
Notes are ordinarily extracted from short sources. For example, a talk on oral conservation at gathering or conference, wherein the notes might be the main record of the occasion or along the substances.
Yes, it is a definition of note making. Secondly, the question rises in my mind how to attempt a note or how to make a note making. There are 5 main simple steps. If you follow these steps, we make our note making perfect. Step number 1. First of all, make a box. Read the passage carefully. Try to get the theme and subject of the passage. You have to ask the question yourself what the passage is about. This will provide you the title of the passage. Step number 2. Read carefully. Identify the main ideas and important points which help you to make the points.
Step number 3. Make the notes from important points under headings and add sub-points under subheadings. Step number 4. Use proper format like tabular form, pie chart, sequential form, and graphs and diagrams.
Last and final step. It is an important step. Use recognizable abbreviation whenever possible. I hope you will enjoy the presentation. Thank you.